Hi ladies, it's Deanne Munoz and I'm back for another week with an amazing tip that you guys are gonna love. So this is actually an inside joke between my girlfriends and I. It's a little risque, it's a little perverted, a little adventurous, it's a little out there, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it works. My girlfriends are constantly asking me, hey, Deanne, is this guy I'm dating? I sent him a text, he hasn't returned it all day. And I always say the number one thing, send him a sexy photo. So there's 3 levels though for these sexy photos. You're one of those PG-13 girls, you're conservative, you don't want it to get on the web, put on like a simple piece of lingerie, grab your cell phone and just start taking cute selfies until you find the one you like. Take 300, 500, 700, however many selfies you need. You own that girl and you take all until you find that one perfect picture. Now, for everyone who's 18 and over, a little more confident, they're feeling, they could send something a little bit sexier, booty shots. Even if you don't even have a booty, there's angles. So, there could be the cute little like bent over photo over here, boom, send the text. Now for everyone who's like me, risque, adventurous, naughty, more on the little perverted side, feel free to go naked, place hands over places that shouldn't be seen maybe, topless, from behind, booby pictures, send all your favorite photos. Guaranteed to get a text back to you guys, ladies. Next week I have another exciting tip. Make sure that you're subscribed and that you will get alerted for next week's video. Thank you for tuning in, ladies.